inside with your love. Sometimes ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot. Shining through, thank you for the love you give to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for the love you give to me. Da 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 da. Na 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 Thank you. What's your name? Na pangalan mo, Delshud. Delshud. What kind of name is that? Good morning. I got to get back to work. I'll come again when you. Okay, timeline donkey. Take your time and thank you for coming to my live. See you later. Just take your time. And I have to cook my breakfast. Dadat yung mga anak diriwing ke. The meaning is cut over the look at the meaning. Okay. Hanggang ka ba? May Tagalog pala akong ano dito. What's your name? Delshud. Pangalan mo? Yung lamok. Lamok. Daghan kayo. See you later. Saan pupunta? To the moon. Road trip. Brum brum. Skr. Skr. Road trip. Brum brum.